Guys, today for the Bitcoin price, something really important is right now happening because we can see right now that we are almost breaking this massive area of support we have right here. We have been creating this support for the past few days, and if we break this support, then Bitcoin could all the way retest here at $25,100, which is going to be another massive drop. That will be another 2.5% drop for Bitcoin, and this could cause even more liquidations and just complete chaos in the Bitcoin space. So yeah, make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end because I'm going to show you guys exactly what is going to happen. Make sure to claim those deposit bonuses by using the first link in the description to sign up for a Bybit account. So yeah, you can claim some free money simply by going to the first link in the description, signing up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description and claiming those deposit bonuses. It's a really good exchange. So yeah, now let's jump into the chart. We can see right now that this is the chart for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin here on the 1 hour chart is almost losing its massive support. We can see a lot of red candles. In the last few days we have not basically been doing anything. However, it seems like that Bitcoin just wants to push one more drop lower before finally maybe pumping a little bit, because after this massive drop we saw, of course, was significant drop, we didn't saw any relief bounce. This was the only small bounce we saw, and now we are dropping lower, and there is a massive chance, and that's also why I'm currently predicting that we are going to fill up this massive wick we have, and Bitcoin always tends to fill up the wicks it creates, and we can see we have a 2.5% unfilled wick. So there's a really big chance that we do something like this in order to fill up the wick. We're almost losing this support, and once we do, it's going to be one red candle down just like this one, and then we're going to fill up 25k. From there we could potentially move a little bit up again. Of course, there is also our major level of support, and we are not quite there yet. We can see massive area of support here at $25,000. And here as well, and we're just not there quite yet. So it will make a lot of sense in my opinion in order to drop all the way back down to $25,100 exactly. That is where our massive area of support is. Then also we have something that could also drive the price down, and that is BNB or Binance collapsing. We can currently see that the BNB token, the native currency for Binance, is currently almost losing its massive area of support. And if we lose this area of support, basically where it's trading at right now, if we don't get any bounce from off this level, then Binance token and Binance entire exchange will probably collapse. Just like we saw with FTT, Binance will potentially drop all the way, once we break this level of massive support, all the way to firstly $140, and after that our next area of support is basically all the way at $30. So yeah, this is going to be catastrophic for the entire Bitcoin space. If Binance and BNB collapses, it will be absolutely crazy. So yeah, we don't want that to see yet, because it will be FTT and FTX all over again, but much bigger. So yeah, make sure to stay warned for that. That could also drop the Bitcoin price much lower than 25k. So make sure to stay up to date on my channel. I will update you guys immediately if anything happens. Also make sure to go to the second and third link in the description in order to follow me on Twitter, TikTok, Telegram. I will update you guys a lot on there as well. So yeah, that being said, this is all we have for you guys right now. We didn't do anything the last few days. That's also why I didn't update you guys. There was straight up nothing to update about, and I only want to update you guys about the most important things. But now it seems like some big things are happening. So yeah, that being said, first link in the description to sign up for a Bybit account. And yeah, I hope I will see you guys in my next Bitcoin update video.